A fantastic opportunity, certainly to our registered parties, a property that offers spacious, modern living, convenient corner block location. Opening bid or offer? Thank you, sir. First, 1.8, appreciate your bid, sir, 1.8. 1.9, thank you, Matty, 1.9. And back with me on the left-hand side at 1.9. 80, was it, sir? 80, thank you, sir, 980. 2 million evens. 2 million and 50, appreciate your bid, sir. Just get that number, sir, thank you, 128. 2.1 and back now at 2.1. North-facing aspect, bathed in natural sun, dual level living. 2,110,000, correct? Or 2,110,000. 20, back now at 2,120,000. Any further bidding at 2 million? 1, 2, 1, yep, make 130. 140. 130, now 140. 2,140,000. 2,140,000. 2,145,000. Thank you, 145. 55. Back with 55. 2,158,000. 60, 2,160. 2,165,000. 2,170, thank you, 2,170. Final call. Yeah. Down to you, sir, congratulations.
Oh, I can't believe it. What a fantastic result. More than $200,000 above the reserve, and the people were just there with the marketing campaign that Aaron did. We had them queuing up at the door and he was informing us along the way. It was just amazing. I couldn't be happier.